Hi, and welcome back. I'm Nicole, a respiratory therapist. I've spent years helping people understand their sleep, their breathing, and what it really means to feel rested again. Today we're talking about something really important, the risks of untreated sleep apnea. I know that might sound a little heavy, but stick with me. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Because once you understand what's really happening when your sleep is interrupted night after night, it becomes clear why treatment matters so much. Let's start from the beginning. Sleep apnea is a medical condition that prevents you from breathing normally while you sleep. Your airway can collapse or close off for 10 seconds or more at a time, and that can happen dozens, even hundreds of times a night. But you might think, but it only happens when I'm asleep, right? Exactly. That's what makes it easy to ignore. You're not awake to feel it, but your body and brain feel it every single time. Every pause in breathing is like a tiny alarm bell inside your body. Your oxygen drops, your heart races, your brain jolts you awake, and even you don't remember it. The constant cycle of choking, waking, restarting steals the deep, healing rest your body depends on. Healthy sleep is like an overnight maintenance for your body. It's when your heart rests, your brain clears out toxins, and your metabolism rebalances itself. When sleep apnea interrupts that process, things start breaking down. Let's talk about what that really looks like. Your heart works overtime. Repeated drops in your oxygen put stress on your cardiovascular system, leading to higher blood pressure, irregular heartbeats, and an increased risk of heart attack or stroke. Your brain starts to struggle. Without enough deep sleep, your memory, focus, and mood take a hit. Some people notice that you're more irritable, anxious, even depressed. Over time, untreated sleep apnea has been linked to faster cognitive decline. Your metabolism goes off balance. You may gain weight, feel hungrier, or having trouble controlling your blood sugar levels. In fact, untreated apnea can increase the risk of prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, even if you're not overweight. Your immune system weakens, leaving you more vulnerable to infections and inflammation. And if that sounds like a lot, it is, because sleep apnea doesn't just affect your nights, it changes how your body functions every day. Here's the tricky part. Most people don't even realize it's happening. Maybe you just feel tired all the time. You might be falling asleep watching TV, or you wake up with a dry mouth or headache. Or maybe your partner complains about you snoring. These little signs can be easy to brush off, but over time they add up. You start struggling without focus at work, snapping at loved ones, or losing motivation to exercise or eat well. And this creates a vicious cycle. Poor sleep leads to poor health, which leads to even worse sleep. I've had patients tell me all the time, I didn't know how bad I felt until I finally slept well again. At that moment, when they realized what real sleep feels like, that's the moment everything changes. So if you've been putting off treatment or wondering whether CPAP therapy is really necessary, I want you to take this in. Untreated sleep apnea quietly stresses your heart, your brain, your metabolism. The good news is it's completely treatable and the results can be life-changing. Now here's the thing, the damage from poor sleep doesn't have to be permanent. Once you begin treating sleep apnea, especially with constant CPAP therapy, your body gets a chance to recover. Your oxygen levels stabilize, your heart rate normalizes, and your brain gets those deep restorative sleep cycles it's been craving. A study by the National Institutes of Health has shown that regular CPAP can reduce your blood pressure, improve your blood sugar control, and even lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. And the effects are quickly noticeable. Within days or weeks, most people report sharper focus, fewer morning headaches, and more energy during the day, and a better mood overall. It's not an exaggeration to say that treating sleep apnea can completely change the trajectory of your health and your life. Now let's take a quick moment to talk about who's most at risk. Sleep apnea can affect anyone, men, women, young or old, but it's especially common among people who carry extra weight, particularly around their neck or midsection. It's also more common in men and women after menopause, when hormone changes shift and the body stores fat. But remember, not everyone with sleep apnea is overweight. You could still be fit and still have it, especially if your airway anatomy makes you more prone to airway collapse at night. The key is awareness. If you snore, wake up gasping, or feel exhausted despite sleeping through the night, it's time to talk to a sleep professional. The sooner you take action, the sooner you start healing. And now I want to emphasize something. You don't have to figure this all out alone. At Sleep Play, we connect you directly with experts who specialize in helping people through every stage of the CPAP journey, from diagnose to setup and beyond. Our respiratory therapists, like me, are here to troubleshoot, guide, and celebrate every bit of progress with you. Because success with CPAP isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, patience, and the willingness to keep going, even on nights when you feel frustrated. You deserve to sleep deeply, wake up energized, and enjoy your life without feeling trapped by fatigue. And that starts with treating your sleep apnea, not ignoring it. So as you finish today's lesson, take a moment to reflect. What would better sleep mean for you? More energy at work, more patience with your family, or maybe just feeling like yourself again? Whatever your why is, hold on to it, because that's what's going to keep you moving forward. Your sleep matters. It's not just about treating sleep apnea. You're giving your body the rest it's been asking for all along. I'm rooting for you.